Hi guys, welcome to Aksun Electronics Technologies Limited. So where we offer solutions on renewable energy systems of different diversity and size. For a while now, we've been working on how we can also have our own stand for battery capacity tests, so that this can help us improve serving you guys better. So we ourselves can also validate the capacity of batteries in which our manufacturers are giving to us before we give to our end users. We can also validate that okay, these capacities are real, it is complete, and then it is strong, it delivers. So here's our own stand here. I have my DC battery meter with the shunt, and then that is this for the DC part. So with this meter here, I can read the total amps my battery can deliver and the voltage and then the time. With that, we can calculate the total kilowatt which the battery can deliver. And now on this side here, we have our AC side. So we have our energy meter for our AC. So with this I can measure the total energy my load is drawing from the system at the same time while this is working. So these are our own stand, and with this we'll be commencing battery test. You know, for a couple of years now, I think let me put it this way, last year precisely, yes, this was rampant last year precisely. Some of my colleagues and senior colleagues were started running capacity tests on different brands of batteries, and you know, I've watched a couple of videos and I've watched a couple of these installers, technicians and engineers spread out all across the country, and I see that most of them concentrated on some specific size or capacities of battery. So majorly like 15 kilowatts of battery. So but you know, with my own years of experience, the affordable types of lithium batteries, we've left that out, and I believe this is important in this space and industry. So I personally chose that instead of starting my own capacity test majorly on 15 kilowatts lithium battery, let's work based on what people can afford. So we have batteries starting from like 1.2 kilowatts hour lithium battery, which is equivalent to 100 amps. We have 2.5 kilowatts, which is equivalent to that's if we have 1.25 kilowatt at 12 volts, that's 100 amps at 12 volts. So we also have 2.5 at 12 volts also, that's 200 amps at 12 volts. So we also have 2.5 24 volts, so that is also 100 amps at 24 volts now. So and like that. So if you can fast check me, you observe that most of these people ignore the sizes, and I believe most of our clients and customers will be curious also to be sure that okay, the 1.3 kilowatt lithium battery we are using, or 1.2 or 2.5 or 5 kilowatts, that are these batteries also complete, are they working? You know, they will be curious, so like okay, let us not just dwell on bigger capacities. You know, we can't say probably the smaller ones might not be complete, we can't say, but we need to fact check, we need to check ourselves. So I took it upon myself that these batteries in our own company here will also be doing capacity majorly on those smaller batteries. Let us know see what is giving us. Let's know what all other different brands are giving us on this smaller capacity of lithium batteries. right here with me I have SMS. This is SMS 100 amps battery at 12 volts. I think this is our first design, and this is a fresh product in town now. It's fresh, it's new in town now, and in fact I think it's selling fast and it's moving fast. So I got my hands on one of these, and then I was like, since we have our own stand ready and to pick up for capacity test, let's start with this. So we'll be starting our test with this beautiful battery here from SMS 100 amps. That is 1.2 kilowatts. Thank you very much. So let me onboard this and let's see how beautiful this battery is. Please can you bring the camera closer? Let our people see this battery. So yeah, you can see the battery comes with we have the battery bolts. Okay. So we have the manual here. And then we have the battery itself. Can you see? Let me bring the battery out. Let me bring out the battery from the box. Okay. So can you see we have the battery, beautiful battery here, and portable. Now there is one thing I love that SMA did on this design that really moved me. And what is that thing? It's for the fact that I'm seeing a 100 amps lithium battery for the very first time after CWAT, for the very first time, that is showing us the voltage of each cells the battery is carrying. Now can you come closer? Let my people see this. Now the battery comes with the power switch. I'm putting it on. Can you see? So this screen now displays to us the battery voltage. Currently my battery voltage is 13.8, is full. Then can you see cell 1 3.3, cell 2 3.3, cell 3 3.5, cell 4 3.5. So which means I can monitor what is happening in each cells. Are these cells balanced? Are they okay? Is it working well? Is one bad? With this kind of screen system, I can monitor this and check what's happening with my cells. You get it now. So I love this about this design. I love it so much. They are the first to do this with my own what I've been seeing out there in the market. So I love this. So we'll be running our capacity test right now on this. So come along with us. I have my own 1 kVA inverter, locally made by us. So I'll be using this to run the test, and then we'll be starting the capacity test right now. So I think starting from next week, our next brand of battery will be live. So we'll be doing our capacity test live also. So we'll be running live on capacity test so that our customers or followers can also see us as we do capacity tests on these brands and types of batteries. So thank you.